make sure you like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell on so you don't miss any of ZivaLetae'sWorld videos. Hi friends, welcome back to ZivaLetae'sWorld. Today I'll be opening up the ZivaLetae Mini Brands Really Works vinyl. Okay friends, so let's take a look at this. This is the ZivaLetae Mini Brands Really Works vinyl. And there's so many different ones to collect. You get different songs, and also if you do want to start playing these records, then you definitely want to get the APT pack that comes with the record player and the vinyl. If you would like to watch the video of me opening this, then it will be linked in the description down below. And let me just show you how this works real quick. So all you have to do is open it up, and it has a off and on button, and you just flick it so it starts spinning. And then you get your record, you place the record, you push it down, then you press the needle, and it starts playing. So, let's see what other songs we can get today. Are you ready, friends? Well, let's open it. Now, which one should I open up first? This one feels a lot lighter, so let's do this one first. Let me just take this out, and we'll put this back in there. And this is just what the rest of the packaging looks like on the capsule. Ready? Let's open it in 3, 2, 1. Got to peel the tab and take off the first layer. And then the second layer is just black, and it doesn't have a design on it. Okay friends, are you ready to open it in 3, 2, 1? Okay, so we get one bag, and then we get 4. Okay, so I think we might actually get 4 of them. I thought we'd get 3, but I think we get 4. So if we do get 4, that means that we'll have 8 actually altogether, or something like that. So we have, I think these are like our vinyl records, and then here's the collector's guide that we'll take a look at in a minute. And then I think we have like some surprise stuff inside. So these are all like blind bags, and we don't actually know which one we're going to collect. Should we open up this one first? I think we should. Okay, let's open it in 3, 2, 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, look at that. We got the vinyl certificated mini hit after hits. This is like an award. And look, it even has a stand, I think. Wait, this is actually really cool. Oh, okay, I can take it out. Oh, wow. You can really see all that detail. Okay, let me put it back. But that's pretty cool. So it can come apart if you wanted to know. And there's nothing else in there. So it looks like you get like one accessory. And are you ready to open up the 4 records? I am. And which one am I hoping to get? I'm hoping to get ABC by the Jackson 5s. Which song would you like me to get? Okay, ready? We're going to open it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, are you ready? I'm going to let you look first. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes. Okay, this is the song. Feels like it's like wrapped up in something. Oh my gosh, friend. Like I just said I wanted Jackson 5's ABC. And I literally got it on my first try. Wow. So cool, like a miniature version of the songs that you like to listen to. I mean, this is really great. And look at the detail at the back and everything. Well, let's just look at the vinyl. Okay, we're going to be careful of the plastic. Okay, this looks so cool. Ready to pull it out. I'm going to take it from the sleeve. I don't actually know if you can see that, but I can try to put it really close up. So you can see that they actually do have the song names or something that represents it, just like this one. Okay, and we'll have a listen to all of these songs a bit later. So now we're going to open up another one. Okay, I think we should open up this one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Who is this? This is Shania Twain. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Yeah. Okay, so there's the other one. And this one is also, I believe it's also black. Yep, it is. That's what it looks like. Okay, we've got 2 more to open. Let's do this one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm just going to open up my eyes for this one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What do we get? Ooh, who do we get? Who is that? Okay, what does that say? This says from under the cork tree. I believe that's what it says. It's like a theatre photo. This one's like a kind of greyish, like the circle part. This is the last one. Ready? What are we gonna get? What is that? Okay, let's just start opening up the second ball because I'm just too excited. And we'll play all of them at the end. And I wonder what other accessory we're gonna get. Okay. Ready, friends? We're gonna open it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, this was different. Oh my gosh, I think that is the speaker. We'll just like it. Okay, here's the collector's guide. Why don't we just check it out now? There are lots of different songs. Let me see, any ones that I know? Mary, I know that one. They have Beautiful Things. They have All Stars, Thunder, Pink Pony Club. And there are 45 songs to collect. That's a lot of songs actually. I think it is the speaker. 3, 2, 1, let's see. Oh my gosh, yes it is. Wait, does this actually like connect to it? Because if it does, that is super cool. Well, okay, time to open up the songs already. Wow, okay. Let's open up this one in 3, 2, 1. What are we gonna get? We got Handwritten Shawn Mendes. Never seen this one. So let's see the next one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, what do we get? Imagine Dragons. So we got Thunder, it looks like. Okay, 2 more records to open already. What do we get? Please get a good one. Please get a good one. Wait a minute. We got the same one twice. But maybe they're going to play different songs. Okay, there's 2. There's one that's Imagination. And there's one that's A Little Too Much. So I guess I got both of them. Okay, time for the last one in 3, 2, 1. What do we get? We got Squabble Up by Kendrick Lamar. I love all of these. Wow. Okay, let me just turn this on. I'm ready, friends, to play these vinyls. Which one should we play first? Let's play this one. Okay, let me quickly open it. The family got a different colour. This one's blue. As you can see, it's actually a nice blue. Let's flick the switch on. Now it is spinning again. And we're going to put the record in. And I just wanted to say, when I play these songs, you will not be hearing the real song because of copyright. So I have to play a different song. But I will tell you at the end if I can hear the real song. Friends, let's find out. Does it really work? 3, 2, 1. It's playing. Okay friends, so the song actually does play and it really does work. I've never actually heard this song before, and by the way, it does actually repeat on a loop and plays for 30 seconds. And it sounds really clear as well. And the speaker comes from here and here, as you can see. And also I wanted to say that it does come with a charger that you can charge it with, so you don't need any batteries. And the charger is included. Okay, time for the next song. We're going to play the same artist again, just so it's easier. Okay, so let me tell you what that song was called. So this one is called A Little Too Much, and then this one is going to be called Imagination. On here. Time to play. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Also, I would like to say that I'm not going to be playing the 4 songs for the rest of this video because you're just going to be hearing the same sound because of the copyright. So, yeah, it will just be a shorter amount of the song, but I'll tell you if it works or not. Let's see. Is it actually going to play the real song? I've never heard any of these songs either, but that is quite a good song actually. So it really did play. So we've got 2 songs and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more songs to go. Okay, let's do this one. And because it's already open. Okay, ready? We're going to play it in 3, 2, 1. Now we're spinning, and now it's going to play. It started. Okay, that was a pretty good song as well. Okay, time to do the next one. We're going to let it play in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Friends, this is the next song that I'm going to play. That song is pretty good. I feel like I've heard something similar to that song. Okay, time for the next one. We've played 4 songs. Let's do this one. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. It's gonna start. That song was pretty good as well. I quite like it. Time to do Kendrick Lamar's Squabble Up. Okay. And look at the album. It literally looks like the real thing. And that's what I love about these. Like, they make it so realistic as well. And these are perfect for your Barbie dolls. Like, imagine your Barbie dolls having like a whole record player and lots of different vinyls and a whole vinyl collection. And they can listen to all these good songs. And I wonder if the vinyls actually look like the real thing in real life. Because I've only seen like the vinyl covers. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was really good as well. And the sounds are so clear, which I really like. And yeah, I have heard the chorus of that song. And yeah, that song is pretty good. Okay, 2 more songs to go. Let's do Thunder by Imagine Dragons. And I just want to say I really like this album cover. Like, it's really colourful and nice. Time to get the vinyl. And look, it's actually like rainbow with like pastel with black. It's very eye-catching and nice. Okay, ready? Let's play it. That was pretty good as well. And I have listened to that song and I do like it. Okay, time for our last vinyl song for today. And friends, remember there's so many other vinyls to collect with different songs because there's 45 to collect. Like, that's a lot. So I do have a long way to go with this whole collection. Okay, now we're going to play our last vinyl song for today, which is the Jackson 5 ABC, an iconic song. And I'm definitely going to know this one. Ready, friends? 3, 2, 1. Okay, that is pretty good as well. Yay, I love this whole series. And also, most of the songs are playing the chorus. Let's just take a look at this one more time. So we did get 1 rare, which is ABC. And we did get 1 rare accessory as well, which was this one. And we did get that one as well. And we did get the playset exclusive one. And friends, by the way, I don't think this actually plays real music, like as a real speaker, but I guess it's just a fun add-on. And these are all of the vinyls that we got today. And hopefully you can come along with me next time and unbox even more different ones and see if we can collect the whole series all together. I hope you enjoyed this video of me unboxing the new ZivaLetae'sWorld Mini Brands Really Works vinyl. See you next time. Bye friends. And if you liked and enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up.